All right, what's going on, Tycoon? Super excited for today's video. We're going to be looking at XCUR. Okay, that's exicure. This is a penny stock. This one is coming from a request from the comment section. So please, I'm making viewer requests. Leave me a request down in the comment section on a stock or a crypto you want me to analyze. I'll be happy to break it down for you. So exicure, we're looking at the 180-day 4-hour chart. We have my 180-day 4-hour chart study pulled up. I have a video, a tutorial on how to set your screen up exactly like mine is right now in the top right-hand corner of this video. Okay. It seems kind of complicated, but that's a short 5-minute video. I think it teaches you how to set it up and what each one is and what they mean. Okay. But the main thing I want to show you guys is basically two things. Okay, there's a lot I want to show y'all. Let's look at the trend right here. Okay, so we have the 180-day simple moving average, and we're trading below that this entire time. Okay, there's one time where we had a breakout, a huge breakout, and then we came right back down, and it's been using that as a resistance level each time. Okay, so we're trading below it currently, but look at this insane mega drop it had. Okay, so if we go from this low right here to where it's at right now, that's a drop of about 75%, guys, in less than 2 months. Okay, huge drop. But what that is it's setting us up with this bullish divergence. Okay, bullish divergence is basically when the stock is going lower on the price action, but the RSI is going higher on the price action. Okay, that's basically it. If you need a quick 5-minute tutorial on bullish divergence, bearish divergence, and how to set it up and find it out on your own, I have a tutorial on the top right hand of this video. Okay, go ahead and click on that. If you don't know, if you do know, then you know what's up right now. Okay, we're riding this bullish divergence trend line right now. Okay, so we could fall some more, and if we do fall some more, look for it to bounce near this trend line or at the 30 level on the RSI. Okay, and if you can catch that, there's a chance that we might see a big rally, a big candlestick. Okay, like this one. Let me show you guys. All right, let's zoom in a little bit more. So boom, here's our low, right? And then here we have a lower low. Look at our RSI. Boom. All right, so low, higher low, and then huge spike after that. Okay, that's when you saw a big green bounce. A big green candlestick is off of that bounce. Okay, so look for it to bounce off of this trend line again and try to catch that and see if that is going to be a possible reversal and you can catch that bullish divergence. Okay, that's about the only thing I think this thing is good for. I mean, if we zoom out on the weekly chart, it it does not look good at all. I mean, this thing has gone sideways after it started and just down ever since. Okay, it's at the bottom of the Bollinger Band, so this is a good time when you start to see things either recover, okay, and pull up, or you start to see them fall more. All right, now there's not much more that this thing can drop. It's only 20 cents a share right now, and it's had highs of, I believe, like $3.84. So if you're bullish on exicure and you think exicure is a company that's going to be around in the next 5 years, 5 to 10 years, and you think that they're going to provide some value, now is a great investment time. Okay, this isn't financial advice. I'm just you guys' friend, but I mean, look at the chart. I mean, how much cheaper can it get from 20, at 20 cents if you guys are a bull on it? Now, if you're not, I wouldn't even touch this stuff. I don't know what exicure is. I'm not sure why people are trading it or why it's on people's radars right now, but I do see the bullish divergence forming. So, maybe that's why. Okay, maybe that's why, and that's why I made this video. It definitely does have some swing trade opportunities here, and I would just make sure to have a stop loss on. Okay, so if you guys don't know how to use a stop loss, you can watch my tutorial right here to the right.